It's time for a new entry in the one bag travel packing under 7 kilograms series, and today we're looking at the Bravo Backpack from Alpaka. We're going to check out the specs, pack it up for a long weekend trip, and then at the end of the video, we'll weigh it to make sure we're under that 7 kilogram limit. Let's get into it. Alpaka is a design-forward travel gear company based in Australia. And when you buy from Alpaka, you also support some great green initiatives like 1% for the planet and 1 tree planted. Affiliate link in the description if you want to support Alpaka as well as this channel. Also, be sure to use my code for an additional 15% off. The brand new Bravo Backpack, which was just released at the beginning of this week, has a simple yet thoughtful design, making it great for everything from everyday carry to weekend one-bag travel. The bag comes in at 47 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 18 centimeters with a total capacity of 23 liters, and it weighs 1.2 kilograms. The exterior is made with water-resistant Axoflux 400D ripstop nylon, which is actually a fabric that Alpaka has developed from 100% recycled offcuts. And the interior is made with 150D gray X-Grid ripstop polyester. The bag features YKK AquaGuard zippers, along with paracord pools made with premium hex beads. It comes in one colorway, which is the black that you see here, and the Bravo Backpack is going to run you $159 US before discount codes. So before we pack this thing up, let's check out the bag in a little more detail. There's a large front admin pocket that extends the entirety of the bag. In here, you're going to find spots for notebooks and pens, a small mesh zip pocket, as well as a key leash. The main pocket of the bag features 2 mesh zip pockets, along with a padded, soft-lined 16-inch laptop sleeve, and that's going to have a really nice false bottom too. The side of the bag features a small hidden pocket for valuables like passports and wallets. And then each side of the bag features its own water bottle pocket. The top of the bag has a large carry handle, which can actually sometimes brush the back of your neck if you are wearing the backpack higher up on your back, so just be aware of that. And the back of the bag has nicely padded contour shoulder straps, but they do fit a little snug against your neck, so just a heads up there. The bag fits most comfortably though when you wear it lower on your back and without the adjustable sternum strap, which I know sounds a little weird. And then lastly, the back panel has some really nice, comfy, thick padding and a vertical luggage pass-through. So now let's see what we can fit inside. And I'm going to pack realistically for a 3-day weekend trip while being cognizant of that 7 kilogram limit. And as you know, everybody packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. So now it's time to weigh this thing and see how we did. And there we go, a successful pack under 7 kilograms. So what do you think of the Bravo backpack from Alpaka? Would you use this bag for a trip where you're trying to stay under that 7 kilogram limit? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable this week.